Hey, it's Amanda from SupplyHouse.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Honeywell VR8200A2132 standing pilot gas valve. This valve has combination gas controls for use with 24-volt heating appliances that burn natural, manufactured, or LP gas up to 130,000 BTUs. A natural gas to LP converter kit is included. The controls include a manual valve, 2 automatic operators, a servo pressure regulator, and pilot adjustment. The compact VR8200 features a straight-through body pattern with half-inch inlet and outlet connections, and comes with a half-inch by 3/8" reducer bushing and a 3/4" straight flange. It provides 2 automatic valves. A solenoid-operated first automatic valve opens when a thermostat calls for heat and closes when the call for heat ends. A diaphragm-operated second automatic valve opens under control of the regulator and closes if the gas or power supply is interrupted. This valve meets codes requiring dual safety shutoff. The pilot outlet, along with all adjustments and wiring connections, are accessible from the top control. A 3-position manual gas control knob has on, off, and pilot positions with a light right lighting sequence. For more information, visit the resources at SupplyHouse.com or email us with any questions.